financial boast. Now go to Galatians 2. This is a verse that I've heard people abuse to teach this weird Calvinist doctrine. They'll say this. They'll say, well, it's not even our faith that even saves us. I mean, I've heard this a ton of times. It's not even our faith that saves us. It's His faith that saves us. That's what they say. But hold on. What was that? Tyler Baker taught that? Yeah, well, wow, I'm shocked. He taught heresy. It's not even our faith that saves us. Yes, it is. Because he said, thy faith hath saved thee. I mean, Luke 7:50. You see why it's an important verse? So they'll take Galatians 2:16 and they'll try to use this to say, well, it's not even your faith that even saves you. Which is like they're trying to get you into Calvinism with this. But look at Galatians 2:16. It says, knowing that a man is not justified by the works of the law, but by the faith of Jesus Christ. So they say, look, we're justified by the faith of Christ. So it's His faith. Wrong. Keep reading. It says, but by the faith of Jesus Christ, look at the next phrase, even we have believed in Jesus Christ, that we might be justified by the faith of Christ and not by the works of the law, for by the works of the law shall no flesh be justified. So the Bible here defines what the faith of Christ means. You know what the faith of Christ means? It means we have believed in Jesus. Right. That's what it means. Because look what the verse says. He says, knowing that a man is not justified by the works of the law, but by the faith of Jesus Christ, even we have believed in Jesus Christ. That's what that means. We've believed in Jesus Christ in order that we might be justified by the faith of Christ. So how do we get justified by the faith of Christ? By believing in Christ. So faith of Christ does not mean that it's His faith. It's the faith of Christ because it's the faith that has to do with Jesus Christ, because it's faith that's placed in Jesus Christ.